With the cost of living going up and financial security being a top priority, having a side hustle can be a game changer. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save up for a big purchase, or just want some extra cash to enjoy life a bit more, side hustles are a fantastic way to boost your income. From quick gigs that put money in your pocket almost instantly to creative endeavors that can turn into a full-time business, we've got something for everyone. So make sure to stick around because you don't want to miss these tips. Let's begin. Number 10, affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You might have seen bloggers and influencers sharing links to products on their sites or social media profiles. Well, that's affiliate marketing at work. To get started, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction, choose products that fit your niche, and promote them using unique affiliate links. Every time someone clicks through your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. This authenticity will help build trust and increase your conversions. Number 9, online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge through online tutoring? Websites like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Wyzant are great places to start. You can teach anything from academic subjects like math and science to skills like playing a musical instrument or coding. Online tutoring allows you to set your own schedule, work from the comfort of your home, and earn money while helping others learn. Plus, with the increasing demand for online education, it's a growing market with plenty of opportunities. Number 8, selling unused items. Got a closet full of things you no longer need? Selling unused items can be a quick way to make some extra cash. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to reach a wide audience. Look around your home for clothes, electronics, furniture, or even collectibles that you don't use anymore. List them online with clear photos and descriptions, and you might be surprised how much you can earn from items just sitting around your house. Number 7, selling handmade products. Got a knack for crafting or creating unique items? Selling handmade products might be your golden ticket. Platforms like Etsy and local craft fairs can be excellent places to showcase and sell your creations. Think jewelry, custom art, home decor, or even handmade soaps. The key here is to find a niche that resonates with buyers and to market your items effectively. Don't forget to take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions. These can make all the difference. Number 6, print on demand. This is a great option if you're more into design but don't want to handle the inventory. With print on demand, you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and the platform handles the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. Websites like Redbubble and Teespring make it super easy to get started. You just upload your designs, set your prices, and let the platform do the rest. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity without a hefty upfront investment. Number 5, investing in dividend stocks or real estate crowdfunding. First up, dividend stocks. Imagine getting paid just for holding shares of a company. That's right, with dividend stocks, you receive a portion of the company's earnings on a regular basis, like a thank you note for being a loyal shareholder. Whether it's quarterly or annually, these payments can add up, offering a reliable income stream without lifting a finger. Next, we have real estate crowdfunding. Don't let the name intimidate you. It's simpler than it sounds. Instead of buying a whole property, you pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. Picture it as a real estate adventure where you own a slice of the pie. The best part? You can earn a share of the profits from rental income or property sales, all without the hassle of property management or huge upfront costs. But here's the golden rule: do your homework. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. Take the time to understand each investment opportunity, evaluate the risks, and consider your financial goals. And hey, there's no shame in seeking advice from a financial advisor. In fact, it's a smart move to ensure you're making the best choices for your financial future. Number 4, freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your existing skills to make quick cash. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients looking for a wide range of skills. Simply set up your profile, showcase your expertise, and start bidding on projects. Many freelancers start with small gigs and build up to larger, more lucrative projects over time. Whether you're crafting compelling blog posts, designing eye-catching logos, or managing social media accounts, there's a demand for almost every skill. Number 3. Dropshipping. Ever dreamed of running your own online store but cringe at the thought of managing inventory? Well, dropshipping might just be your dream come true. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without ever having to stock them yourself. Sounds like magic, right? Here's how it works. When a customer places an order on your website, you forward the order to your supplier. They handle the rest, packing and shipping the product directly to your customer. You get the profit without the hassle of inventory. What makes dropshipping so appealing is its low upfront costs. No need to spend big bucks on inventory upfront. You only pay for what you sell. This makes it a fantastic option for budding entrepreneurs or anyone looking to dip their toes into the e-commerce world without a massive financial commitment. Number 2, online courses and digital products. If you're a whiz at something, whether it's graphic design, cooking, coding, or even playing the ukulele, there's a good chance others want to learn it too. Creating an online course allows you to teach your skills to a global audience from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it super easy to package your knowledge into structured lessons. You can include videos, quizzes, and assignments to engage your students and make learning fun and effective. Once your course is up and running, it can become a passive income machine, generating revenue while you sleep. Now, if teaching isn't quite your thing, consider creating digital products. These can range from ebooks and printables to software tools and plugins. For instance, if you're a pro at budgeting, you could design a set of customizable budget templates. Or if you're a writer, pen an ebook on a topic you're passionate about. These products typically have low production costs and once created, can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. Number 1. Blogging or vlogging. Imagine turning your passion into profit by sharing your expertise online. Whether you're into travel, finance, or DIY projects, there's a niche waiting for your unique voice to shine. First things first, choose your niche. What gets you excited? Your passion is the ticket to creating content that resonates deeply with your audience. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create valuable content. Share your knowledge, tips, and personal experiences in a way that adds real value to your audience's lives. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media, consistency and authenticity are key. Now let's talk monetization. You can earn through ads, where platforms like Google AdSense pay you based on ad clicks or views on your content. Sponsorships are another avenue, where brands pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content on making money and improving your financial well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.